Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to this unboxing video. This time I'm going to do it in English. And today we are going to unbox the Airjust Gundam Aluminium Metal Foil Double Oxidation Metal Cover. Yes, it's a long name. I ordered it from Amazon and it's from the brand Airjust.
Oh, bad bitch!
So the brand Airjust offers a huge variety of metal covers for all kind of outdoor sports and exercises for the best protection for your iPhone. So let's jump right into the unboxing video. It comes all in a little package from China. And there's a little manual in Chinese, as you can see, but the little drawings speak for themselves. So here comes a little plastic cover for the front and for the back for your iPhone. But I don't want to use this thin plastic cover, so I bought a tempered glass to protect my iPhone front, and in the back I'm going to use the plastic cover that came with the Airjust case. So here we have the carabiner. Hang it to whatever you want. Here a little rope. Here the screws, and here the cover. Airjust cover. Descriptions: ring switch, volume, sleep wake, rear camera. So first of all you have to unscrew these two screws here, and then you can put in your iPhone. So a really nice and cheap case. I bought it for 14.88 euros, of course. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to put the tempered glass on, and as soon as I have it, we will see us again. So guys, what I just did is to unbox this tempered glass, and if you need, short excursion, if you need a tempered glass for your iPhone 5, 5S or 5C, I can only recommend you this screen protection from JETech. It's really cheap, it comes for 4.98 euros, and inside this little package there are 3 different three tempered glasses, so you can break the screen of your phone a lot of times. So as you guys saw, the alignment and everything with the tempered glass worked perfectly fine. No bubbles, no nothing. It's perfect. And now I'm going to unscrew this little screws with a screwdriver. So, peel off this mask before application. I'm not quite sure what will happen.